Hello, my name is Ana Gillum, and today I want to show you what I learned this week. The first thing I want to do, or I'm going to show you, is conditional formatting. And I'm going to click all this column. I'm going here to conditional formatting and highlight sales rules. Then I'm going to do equal to this time. I want to put right here that value that I want to highlight on this column right here. And I want to highlight whatever cells contains the value 6. We can go here and change the colors. We can use some defaults here, or we can go to custom format and choose the color that we want. I want it red. Click OK, and then OK. So any value that has on this column that has number 6 is going to be red. In this case, since they in order, only the top two are going to be red. I'm going to click again, and now I want to highlight the cells that are greater than. I want to know how many children are more than 8 years old. So I'm going to click 8. Any value that is greater than 8, or any age in this case. I want to use a different color too. I'm going to use green. Okay. And click OK again. So this is going to highlight all the children that are over 8 years old. On this formula right here, we can use greater than. If I wanted to use less than, any children that are less than 8, or anything between, also any value that is, or any age that is, for example, between 7 and 9, and it's going to highlight the 8. I use equal to and greater than. Another thing that we can use, I'm going to click this again, and I'm going to clear these rules. Clear rules from selected cells, so we can clear everything that we formatted first. And we are going to highlight the column again. And now I want to use top and bottom rows. So I want to know who are the top 10 older children, or the top 10 numbers. That will be the highest numbers or the biggest numbers on the list. So it's going to highlight the 10 older children on my list. In this case, we can change the number here to the top 11, or go down to the top 9. We can choose whatever number you want to know. For example, if I have this list and I'm going to have an activity where I can only use the 10 children, but I want to use the oldest one, then I'll click 10 here. I'll go to custom format, and I want to use a yellow. Click OK. OK again. And it's going to highlight the 10 top or 10 older children on my list. We can do the same thing. If I want to know what are the younger children, we go to top 10 items, or we can change it to the 5 youngest children, or the 7, whatever number you want. If you have a list, this is a very short list that I have here. It's only 20 children. But if you're in a company and you have a list of 100 or 200 people, you can click. If you want to know who are the top 100 customers, for example, you go here to top or bottom, and you can click 100 right here, and then whatever color you want to highlight, and click OK. Also, on this conditional formatting, you can go to on the top and bottom rules. You can click, you want to know who are the top 10% of your people, top 10%, or you can change the percent that you want to, the 5%, the 10, 20, whatever percent you want to know of people in this case. And then you can change the colors and highlight whatever color do you want, so you can highlight. If you want to clear, again, if you want to clear the conditional formatting, you highlight the column and you go here to clear rules again, and clear rules for your selected cells. In this case, is the whole, I selected the whole column. But if I only want to, okay, I don't want to know, I'm not going to use for my activity the children that are 9. Then I click here, I highlight whoever is 9. I go to clear rules and clear rules for the selected cells only, and it's going to clear these 3 numbers. But since I had a conditional formatting already, is going to move up to the numbers above. I don't want the number 9, but I still have the conditional formatting for the top 10. So it's going to highlight the next top number. That will be 8. I'm going to clear this up again. You can also manage your rules here. I only have one ruling right here, but if you had more, you can delete it or edit it. Another thing that I want to show you today is for this, to show you this, I changed, these are the last name of all the children. And I changed their last names and I wrote them with a lowercase. So this is a function that is called proper. And what it does, if you have any mistakes, any grammatical mistakes on your writing, it will correct it. And it has a, it's like a, automatically will correct it. So I'm going to click here, equals, to start my formula, and proper. And it asks me for the test. What test do I want to correct? I'm going to click here, BB, and click OK. So as you can see, it changed. I had BB with a lowercase b, so it changed it to a lowercase, I'm sorry, a capital B. If I drag this down to my list, you can see that I had all my names with starting with lowercase, so it changed it for capital. It changed it to capital, the first letter, as it's supposed to be wrote correctly. I think this is a very nice formula for when you want to correct any paper or know if you have any mistake on your spreadsheet. And this is something I learned this week, and thank you for watching.